Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding, most beautiful crochet bedsheet designs, bedsheet ideas, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see in this my channel, in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and stylish crochet bedsheet designs. Those ladies who love such type of crochet bedsheets, flower bedsheet designs, you can see my ideas. You can visit my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can decorate your room with your crochet bedsheet designs, matching pillow cover designs, cushion cover designs, sofa cover designs, cotton designs, table cover designs and many more. You can make easily these very beautiful bed sheets if you know crochet work. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet bed sheets, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eby.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas, different styles, different shapes, beautiful and stylish crochet bed sheets for you. You can see in this my channel, in this my video. Give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet bed sheet designs? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.